is a very long and drawn-out process. It takes hours. But today, in this awesome life hack, we're going to cut it down to only a couple of seconds. Wow. Step 1. Talk calmly to your water bottle.
It's okay, baby girl. You're gonna be okay. It's all right. I know it's been a long day, but it'll work out. It'll work out just fine.
Step 2. Give him a little kissy kiss. Step 3. Tell your water bottle your deepest, darkest secret.
You know, I've never told anyone this, but my parents died while drinking water, and it's affected my life greatly.
Step 4. Drink your water. You totally won't die.
Amazing.
As long as you follow all of these steps correctly, down to every minute detail, you totally won't die at 3:39 p.m. while you're playing tennis.
I just love how you play tennis, man. You know what? You're the best. I love you, dude.
Thanks, man. I really. Whoa. Bro. Oh no.
I shouldn't drink that water. I knew I couldn't keep that secret.
Oh. No. No. Oh no. Why?
When did I become afraid of your jazz, baby? I'm wondering that
Francis, no.
Get out! Get
Spit! Francis. Oh no, 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 no. Who did this? Who did this tragedy? Who did this to a foreign student? Oh, it was you.
Me?
It was you.
It wasn't me.
Yes, it was. Yes, it was.
It wasn't me.
Yes, it was.
I'm not the person who does the water bottle tutorial.
Yes, it was. You have it all on
I
your
did.
face. You have lies all over your face.
My face is covered in water.
Yeah, your face is covered in water.
In
that's for sure.
plastic.
You see this water?
Hey,
Have
the
you
water I used to do that water bottle tutorial video. Oh wait, that wasn't me. No.
You're going to jail.
No.
Get
No. Okay, we're done.
That was really loud. Wow. Yo, I won in tennis. That's crazy.
You came into my room, breakfast in bed until 2. I could lay here forever, gazing only at you. I was crying boo when suddenly I smelled biscuits, Christmas biscuits. On my plate, biscuits, Christmas biscuits.